Time for 96.7 Yes FM Entertainment News.
Apparently Arnold Schwarzenegger, he's a grandfather.
Yep.
His daughter had a baby, and and she has told Dad, you cannot smoke your cigars around the baby.
Yeah, so Katherine Schwarzenegger has banned her dad, Arnold, from smoking the cigars anywhere near her newborn daughter.
Obviously,
she loves her dad, loves having him around the house, loves that he's a proud grandpa and whatnot, but can't stand the cigars and says, nope, nowhere near Lila. Do what you got to do, but not here, not near her. Which, I can't blame her. It's a newborn baby. Does he really need to have a cigar near a baby? No.
So, he probably goes in and says, no cigars, I'll be back.
Yeah, so cheesy.
Okay, now they're talking about maybe replacing Meghan McCain on The View, a show that I've never seen an episode of.
Well, no, but it's on, honestly, when you're here doing this, too. No, it's not.
It's not?
No, it's a morning show.
That's the talk.
Yeah.
I've seen that in the dentist's office.
Right.
And that's it.
Yeah, this is The View.
I've
this
never
is on
seen
earlier
this one.
in the day. But
right.
Yeah,
with Caitlyn Jenner, of all people.
They're saying that, Meghan McCain, they want somebody who isn't afraid to stir the pot. And, Caitlyn Jenner is not afraid to speak her mind and get some people cranky or excited or whatever you want to throw emotional standpoint on. Caitlyn has ties to sports, celebrities, politics. So can they get the other girls from The View to be on board for Caitlyn being one of their co-hosts? I don't know. I
don't think so.
Maybe that's what they want. Maybe they want the drama.
Oh, and they'll get it.
Oh, yeah, and they'll get ratings and viewership because of it, because there'll be outlandish things said and done. And
But don't hold your breath.
I won't.